Welcome, I'm Eric Davis, Haydocy Airstream. Want to give you a shout out about a cool event that we've been doing for a couple of years. It's our May open house. The dates are May 8th through 12th. We call it Share the Dream. We're going to have some of our old folks, our clients, who are going to be literally camping on our site. We're going to have everything open and we're going to have some fun with our recreational vehicles. We're going to have food, we're going to have door prizes, we're going to have some fun. Once again, it's called Share the Dream. It's May 8th through 12th. Come on out, enjoy our recreational vehicles, look around, have some fun. We'll see you at Share the Dream, May 8th through 12th. I'm Eric Davis. If you need a little more detail, give me a call. Area code 614-279-8880. Or you can get me an email, eric@haydocy.com. Share the dream, enjoy the journey, happy camping.